Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. If you're new here, I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. Today we're going to be going through 2 charity shop mystery bags. These have come from my local charity shop. I'll be looking as ever for things that I can restore or upcycle to resell in my eBay, Etsy, my Whatnot and my retail stores. Let's get straight into it. Looks like we've got some carded items. And that one's just a card. I don't know why they bothered putting that one in. These is on a homemade card. Some modern earrings. And I bet these have come from the same home. Those are quite cool. It's fast fashion ones. And some stretchy beads. I'll probably cut that one up and make it into something new or pop it into the children's workshops. So if you're new here, do check out the channel because I have lots of unboxings, thrift hauls, and you can see my jewellery upcycles as well in the shorts. This one is a little gold plated, nice little stacking ring, but nothing special sadly. Another stretchy for reusing the beads. So I do children's workshops just in the local community where we pull things apart and make some new things. That's a lovely art glass heart. I shall pop that one onto a chain. Oh, look, our first butterfly already. These butterflies just keep finding me, don't they? A donut. That's quite cool. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's part of the... Look at that. It's faux turquoise. Lots of beads on this one. I think I'll probably make that into bracelets as well. And this looks like a fast fashion type statement necklace. Wooden pendant. Probably take that one off there as well. This one's made with shell, that's quite nice. Made to look like silver, although it's not. Now we've got some gemstones. Some amethyst on there, that's quite nice. These are the fused plastic party type necklaces. And then we've got a little tankard pin, that's cute. This is a sweet little stacking bracelet. I'm collecting them aside so that I can sell them as a stack. And we've got a cufflink there. Some more beads. I think that one will go into a mixed bag just because it's so much work to separate them out. Somebody will like this for the summer. Big statement seed beady necklace. A little stretchy. These feel nice. They might be garnets on there. I'll have to test those. If they are, then that would be a nice little find. Some more for the beads. We'll cut that one up. And there's another fused. When I say fused, what I mean is there's no hole in the bead. They've kind of been glued to the cord, so you can't reuse the beads annoyingly. I have one just like this that my mum passed down to me. Tricolour cuff, that's a nice little find. That one will definitely be resold. There's the other one of those cufflinks. And that one really looks like an 80s earring, doesn't it? But it is a cufflink. And what's this? This looks like a bit of treasure, doesn't it? It looks like a low grade silver. Let's get the magnet on it. It's not magnetic, but it's got that kind of alpaca colour about it. I don't think it's sterling. But these, I think, are gemstones. Oh, they have bubbles inside them. So what does that mean? Plastic or glass, I guess. They're quite heavy. It's an imitation. Oh, but it's lovely though. I think somebody will still like that. Shame, I thought that was going to be a winner. Some shells. And some more beaded stretchies. This skinny cuff is a fast fashion one, but it is quite pretty. Is it missing one off there? No, I think that's how it's designed to be. Cute little piece. And then we've got a Pandora style one. These are really heavy. I think they might be ceramic, those ones. That's quite cute. I think that might go into a walnut show. And the other 80s cufflink. Some big old stretchy beads. More plastic, sort of faux animal print slash tortoise shell. What's this here? A little scarab. I think I might take that off there and make it into a charm. Put it on a head pin. One of these two is accessorised. I'm guessing it's this one. That's quite nice actually, isn't it? They're all caught up around each other, and then we've got a leaf here. There's some more of that tortoise shell looking plastic. That one's a stud. Then there's a purple party necklace and a black party necklace, a Marks and Spencer's bracelet, and some more beads. What's this last little one? That's another stacking skinny bracelet, so I'll pop that with the others. So quite a lot of materials there and some bits for resale as well. Let's check out what's in the box. I can see lots of bracelets, which is great because I always love more bracelets. These are cool, look. I like those. They look like they're new in the bag. Some statement leaf earrings. And then we've got some children's bangles. I'll probably put them in a mixed bag with the party ones. This is jewels with the little bunny on. These bubble type necklaces have sold quite well for me in the past on eBay, so that will probably get listed. Some chibi flag feather earrings. I will keep those aside for the next patriotic event. Chandelier type earring. That's just a cheapy fast fashion one. And I can see we've got a couple of these. I'll either put them in the kids' bag or maybe we'll cut them up and reuse the beads. This looks like a copy of a Links of London ring. That could go in the kiddies' bag as well. These look a little bit like that copper bracelet that I found in last week's short unbagging. There's a bit of age damage there. They're quite cool. And obviously, the packet's so old it ripped in my hands. This is a triple band ring. Ah, so somebody's popped these inside these cages, but they are Venetian wedding cake beads. So these are handmade over a lamp in Venice. These look like quite old ones. I will make those into a more refined pair of earrings. Stretchy, that's got lovely glass leaf beads. I like that one. Might keep that one for the autumn, maybe make earrings from it. This is another fast fashion one and it's missing one of its sparklies, unfortunately. Could this be another jewels one? Oh, it's White Stuff, similar brand. Had a bracelet quite similar to this in the other week. That's quite nice. Ah, speaking of Venice, that's quite cute. A little Venetian style mask on a necklace. Where's that from? Is it accessorised? No, what does it say? Rome. Assume that's fast fashion, but correct me if I'm wrong. I think this is a bracelet. Does it do up like that? Oh, I suppose it does with those two hanging down. It's unusual, isn't it? This is quite fun. Textured discs on a necklace. No maker. Let's do just a fast fashion one again. Some resin red, aren't they gorgeous? That one is good old Marks and Spencer's. These are heavy glass pearls with a flower in the centre. I forgot a maker on that one. Nope. what will we do with that one? I think the beads have gone a bit too far. I think we might cut that one up. Wowzer, look at that. It looks like a Miglio heart, but there is no branding on it. More faux pearls. These ones are plastic, so we'll put those in the kids' workshops. This is a stretchy with a clasp, which is unusual. And they look like plastic, but they are actually glass. Quite nice beads. Can't see any branding on this one. I think that will probably go into a mixed bag. This one is quite unusual. It looks like an 80s costume piece, and it probably had a hang tag there. Monet or somebody like that. Shout if you know. It's quite a nice one. That will be resold. This one I think is Liz Claiborne, unless there's another LC that I don't know about. Similar to that other one with the beads all connected by chain. Couple more fast fashion ones. That's quite a nice cat's eye. And the other one of those. Really dainty, skinny, stretchy. And a frozen necklace. Got to let it go on it. Is it an official one? It is. It's a Disney one, so I'll look that one up, see if there's any merit in listing that one. And a Y2K style Y-drop necklace with no branding on it, probably Claire's or somewhere like that. Shall we see if I've got another bag? I feel like I'd like to do some more. This one for some reason was only £5, the other ones were £6, so we'll see what we can find in this one. The lady in this shop very kindly phones me when she's about to put the bags out, and she puts out quite a lot, and I buy most of them, so I've got quite a backlog of them to go through. So you'll be seeing some more. I'll probably film some more on my shorts. There was one in there recently. If you haven't seen that one yet, you can go and check that out as well. There is also a playlist of unbagging, so you can go through and see if you've missed any. This one looks vintage. Probably list that one towards Christmas. That's quite cute. Might pop that in the kiddies bag. Then we've got some cowrie shells. My little one had an anklet like this last year, and she broke one of the shells, and we didn't manage to satisfactorily get it put back together, so I might let her have that one. Sparkler, that will go in with the kids as well. And then these are those magnetic ones that you wrap around as a bracelet or a necklace. Some interesting beads on this one. I think we'll cut that one up. A huge starfish, look at that. It says SNT. Snoot. Don't know that brand. Let me know if you know where that's from. This looks intriguing. It's a little perfume bottle. Yeah, it looks like a perfume dabber. It doesn't smell of anything though. I don't think it's been used. And it does look like a vintage one by its styling. So that's quite a nice little one. A pretty stacking bangle. This one I've had in before. Can't remember what I did with it though. I think it was probably Primark or something like that. And a better quality one that's possibly accessorised somewhere like that. But this one is actually J. Crew, so I'll look that one up and see if that's worth listing. These here feel like real stones as well, so that's a nicer one. Put some sparkly beads in there, I'll cut that one up. This lovely freshwater pearl necklace is a little bit sneaky because the clasp here looks like a silver tag there, but there's no markings on it. I don't think it is silver, but lovely freshwater pearls. Then we've got a Marks and Spencer's. I like those beads though. I think I might cut that one up. Got a gold tone chain. I'll probably use that for making charm necklaces or bracelets. This is a giant beaded necklace. And these beads are quite handy for making hoop earrings or putting at the end of a stretchy, not stretchy, a wire bracelet. So I might cut that one up. I don't know, maybe we'll list it first. Don't seem to be very popular at the moment, beaded necklaces. This one has got a really nice clasp. Can't see any markings on it. It's not silver, I think it's steel. An accessorised one. Some enamel. And that's the other one of those earrings, isn't it? Or did we leave that on the table? Ah, these earrings go with that necklace, so I'll pop those together. Let's see if there's any markings on there. No, they're anonymous. I think this is a handmade necklace. It might be upcycled from an earring. That looks like it probably was an earring, doesn't it? I think I might take that one apart. Another shell. That's handy because my big girl will probably want something if I've given my little one something. Costume pearls. And we've got some Borealis flower clip-ons. Sold a pair like that on Whatnot recently, so I'll be potting that one into Whatnot. Costume ring. It's lost all its plating. And some more clip-ons. Another fast fashion one. And another one. And another one. And another one. Look at this. Great big pendant. It's got some of its sparklies missing. I think I'll probably just reuse the chain on that one. We've got some more pretty clip-ons. Nicely made, and they've got comfort backs on. Or one of them has anyway. Wooden beads and shells. This is a bracelet, or I think it's possibly an anklet with some rose quartz on it. And a shell one. And then this one's from Accessorise. So no massive treasure. What was your favourite piece? I quite like the pearls and this 80s one. The J. Crew. This one, of course. Let me know in the comments what was your favourite. Do check out the channel if you're new. Hit that subscribe and the like button for me as well. Watch something else, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.